from this to this. Continuing from part 2 of designing logos or tattoos for couples using Adobe Illustrator. Today, I'll guide you on designing the initials of two people in the shape of a heart using the Envelope Distort tool. First, we need to draw a heart shape. There are various ways to do it, but my favorite is to start with a circle and then adjust the anchor points to form a heart shape. Press the O key to select the Reflect tool, hold down the Alt key, click on the center point for reflection, choose Vertical, and click OK. Press the Ctrl+J shortcut to join the two halves of the heart into one complete shape. Next, make a copy to the side for future use. Now, let's create an outer border using the offset path. Next, create a line in the middle to split the heart in half, adjusting the width of the line as desired. Then, convert it into a shape and use the Shape Builder tool to remove the intersecting parts. Please note that there may be steps I haven't explained in detail, but if you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll do my best to respond promptly. Press the Shift+X shortcut to swap the fill and stroke colors. Next, we'll create the initials HN and convert them into shapes. Here, you don't need to place them inside the heart shape as I'm doing. Simply bring the heart shape front the text layer, then select both. Then, go to Object, choose Envelope Distort, and select Make with Top Object. Repeat the same process for the letter N. Now, it's time to display the circle and the border again. At this stage, it's looking pretty good, but I believe there's room for improvement in this design. So, I'll add some additional shapes to make the logo more impressive. We've completed it. If you enjoy videos like this one, don't forget to give me a like or leave a comment to let me know. I'll be making more logo or tattoo design tutorials in the future.